Hello, hello, good morning, good morning, good morning to all of you. So this time I will present Mathematics 10, Quarter 4, Module 1, Lesson 2. Title, Recalling Quartile. Objective, recall the concept of quartile. Let's go to what's more. Directly, the mathematics department head conferred with each of the 9 mathematics teachers for the following number of minutes: 15, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Find the lower quartile and the upper quartile of the data. So we have solution. What is the lower quartile? We have now the formula. You're going to find first the position of quartile 1, which is equal to 1/4 times quantity n plus 1. So we have now, you're going to arrange the number of minutes in ascending order. So we'll start with 15, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 number of minutes of the teachers. So we are going to rank the 9 minutes. We have the rank of 15 is 1, or the position of 18 is 2, we have 20 is 3, until 26 is 9. And we have now position of quartile 1 is equal to 1/4 times quantity n plus 1 is equal to 1/4. So n is equal to 9 plus 1. This will be equal to 1/4 times 10. Then proceed. We have position of quartile 1 is equal to 10 over 4 is equal to 2.25. The computed value of 2.5 between 3 after rounding up becomes 3 after rounding up. The lowest quartile value of quartile 1 is the third data element, which is 20. So we have now quartile 1 is equal to 20 is the lowest quartile. So it is in the third position. Other questions? So wala. Let's go to, we have solution of number 2. We have number 2. What is the upper quartile? So the upper quartile is, we are going to find first the position of quartile 3 is equal to 3 over 4 times quantity n plus 1. And arrange the number of minutes in ascending order. So we have 15, 18 to 26. And we are going to assign their position. So we have 15 is 1, 18 is 2, 20 is 3, until 26 is 9. So we are going now to compute the position of quartile 3, which is the upper quartile, is equal to 3 over 4 times n plus 1. Quantity is equal to 3/4 times quantity 9 plus 1. So this will be equal to 3/4 times quantity 10. And we have now the position of quartile 3 is equal to 10 over 4. So still we have 2.5. The computed value is 7.5 becomes 7. After rounding down, so we have now, that is 7.5. The upper quartile value is the 7th data element, we have 24. Therefore, the quartile 3 or the upper quartile is equal to 24 is the upper quartile, or it is still the 7th position is equal to 24. Find the first quartile. So we have now quartile 1. Second quartile and the third quartile, which is Q sub 3. Given the scores of 10 students in their mathematics activity using Mendenhall and Sinkic method. So we have now 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 12, 14, 15. So we are going to assign their position, that is 4 is 1, 6 is 2, 7 is 3, 8 is 4, until 15 is 10, because there are 10 number of scores of 10 students and their mathematics activity. So we have now what is the first quartile or the lower quartile. So we have now, we have 4, 6, 7, 8 to 15. So this is already arranged in ascending order. So we are going to assign their position. So we have now position of 4 is 1, 6 is 2, until we have 15 is 10, because there are 10 numbers of scores in the mathematics examination. We are now going to find the position of quartile 1 or the lower quartile. So this will be equal to 1/4 times quantity n plus 1 is equal to 1 over 4 times 10 plus 1 is equal to 1 over 4 times 11. And we have now position of quartile 1 is equal to 11 over 4. So that will be equal to 2.75. The computed value, 2.75, becomes 3 after rounding up. The lower quartile value is the third data element. So the quartile 1 or the lower quartile is equal to 7 is the first quartile. So we have the third position there. The value is equal to 7. So that is our quartile 1 or the lower quartile, which is 7, is the first quartile. What is the second quartile? So when we say second quartile, it's the median, the middlemost score if it is add, and that we are going to add the two middlemost scores if the given is even. So we know quartile 2 is equal to, or the median is the median of the given number. So that will be equal to lowest value plus highest value. So that will be 4 plus 15 over 2 is equal to 4 plus 15 over 2 is equal to 9.5. So that will be the median or the second quartile. So the second quartile is, we have 9.5, which is the second quartile or the median. What is the third quartile or the upper quartile? Again, we are going to arrange the scores from lowest to highest. So we have 4, 6, 7, 8 to 15. And we are going to give the position of its score. So we have again 4 is 1, 6 is 2, until we have 15 is 10. Again, there are 10 number of scores. So we are going to find the position of quartile 3 or the upper quartile. The formula now is, we have 3/4 times quantity n plus 1. Therefore, we are going to substitute n. We have 3/4 times n is 10 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 4 times 11. So what is 3 times 11? We have 33 over 4. And the 33 over 4 is equal to 8.25. The computed value, 8.25, becomes 8 after rounding down. The lower quartile value is the 8 data element, which is equal to 12. 8 data element is 12. Quartile 3 or upper quartile is equal to 12 is the third quartile. Note that first quartile, Q sub 1 is the lower quartile. Second quartile or Q sub 2 is the median. And we have the third quartile, Q sub 3 is the upper quartile. it's the end of my presentation. This is Castor Bero Ayuban, your teacher in Mathematics 10. And I hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell for some updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.